Alright, let's look at the homework 1.2, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find an equation for the family of linear functions with slopes 3. Alright, so remember that slope-intercept form would be mx plus b. So m is known, so which is going to be 3. So I'm going to put, let's see, y equals 3x. And then y-intercept is unknown, so I'm going to leave it as b. Right? So we have that equation. Right? Then let's see. So we have to find a family of lines with slopes 3. So it looks like this guy has, let's see, as you go to the right 1 unit, it goes up, let's see, yeah, as you goes up 3 units. So this has a slope 3. And the second one is a negative slope, so that wouldn't be it. Alright, so this is not, the slope is not quite 3, so that's not going to be it. Again, this is going down, so it's a negative slope. So this is the correct one. Alright, so then for part B, we want to find an equation for the family of linear functions such that f of 3 is equal to 1. Right? So which means that the graph has to go through 3, 1. Right? So let's look at that. Right, this guy is go through 3, 1. So this is promising. Right, this one it goes through a negative 3, 1. So that's not going to be it. Right, this is going to go through negative 3, negative 1. This is positive 3, negative 1. So this is going to be it. Right? Then the equation is going to be, I'm going to use a point slope form. So you have a y minus, so we have to go through y1 would be 1. And m, slope is, we don't know, m. So then you have x minus 3. Right? So that slope is unknown. So we have that. So that's the equation. Alright, then part C, we basically combine part A and part B. Right, so we want to make sure that so we have let's see, so slope is going to be 3, right? Then it has to go through 3, 1. So it's going to be like this. So you can have y minus 1, and slope is going to be 3 from part A. Then you have x minus let's see, x minus 3, right? So we have that. So all we have to do is replace this m by 3 because from part A, slope is 3. Right? So let's double check. Right? Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like we got part A correctly. And let's go down and chose the right graphs. And for part B, looks like we got one correctly, and also part C. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.